Well guys, I got a new knife to show you. This is the Skallywag Tactical called the Swifttail. And this is a nice gentleman's folder. This is a very sleek design, very slim design. By the way, I do love when a company has a nice case that it comes in. Just shows they care. But look at this. Super nice. So philosophy of use, EDC obviously, but as a gentleman's folder, something like this would be ideal if you're wearing a suit or some nice clothing or something like that, and you want to just kind of dress it up just a little bit more, then this would be an ideal kind of blade. You know, if you still want to carry a knife, an EDC knife, well then this would be ideal. So this is running on some ball bearings. What I have noticed about this knife, as far as the flipping mechanism, that's different from a lot of knives like this one right here. So a lot of knives I've noticed with the flipping mechanism, it's more like a button, kind of push it down, opens up. This one is more like a light switch, which is pretty unusual for me, but light switch still comes out very, very fast, but just a little bit different touch on deploying the blade. But this is running, like I said, on ball bearings there. This is 154 cm steel. So this is a stainless steel, which, you know, most EDC knives are, because it's going to be in your pocket. It's going to be, I don't know, it's going to be around more moisture because of your body heat and all that. So 154 cm steel is going to help with that corrosion resistance in there. This blade length is 3.75 inches. You got a handle length of 4.25 inches, giving you a total length here of around 8 inches. So one thing I've noticed about this is the handle. This is carbon fiber handle here. You can kind of see the texture on there, nice texture. It's got a little bit of a grip to it. It's not going to give you hot spots, of course, or anything like that, but definitely enough grip on there. You've got a little bit of jimping on top here. The blade, the top of the blade, you kind of see that swedge on the top of the blade that's polished and rounded right there. I do like this blue anodized backspacer right here. It just gives a little bit of a extra something, a little pop, right? So it just tells you this is something more than just your standard folder. But what a nice, classy blade this is. And you got a deep pocket carry, as you can see right there, which I always appreciate with a knife. It is only for right-handed, so you cannot reverse that. So for me, it's ideal. but man, just it does feel comfortable in the hand, but that's a good length. I mean, that's a pretty long length for an EDC blade like this. So I don't know, overall guys, something to check out for sure. They're a great company. I've long appreciated Skallywag Tactical. I've done other reviews on their blades, but I think this is just a outstanding, sleek looking, nice blade. So anyway guys, I'll drop a link for this down below, but if you've not done so, please consider hitting that like button and subscribing to the channel. I really appreciate you and your support for us. We'll see you in the next video.